I am presenting here the topic entitled Alkenes, which is useful for B.Pharm second semester in Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry BP 202T in unit 2nd. Alkenes are the simplest hydrocarbons. The molecular formula of alkenes is CnH2n, and alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. The first member of alkenes is ethylene according to common nomenclature systems, and the molecular formula of ethylene is C2H4. The functional group of carbon-carbon double bond. The alkenes containing the double bond, carbon-carbon double bond, and the alkenes and the carbon atom of the alkenes has the sp2 hybridizations and have the 120-degree bond angles, and the alkenes have the 1 sigma bond and pi bond in their structures like CH2 double bond CH2, and the no rotations about double bond possible in alkenes. The next member of alkenes is propylene, and the molecular formula of propylene is C3H6. And next member of alkenes is butylene, and the molecular formula of butylenes is C4H8. It is also known as 1-butene and alpha-butylene, and the structure like CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2. And then the next member of this series like 2-butene, and the structure of 2-butene is CH3, CH double bond CH and CH3. And in isobutylene, the substitution occurs in second carbon atom like CH3, CH3 and C double bond CH2. It is also known as 2-methyl propene. There are 2-butene structures. One is cis 2-butene and another is trans 2-butene. Structure number 1, which is shown here, is cis 2-butene. They are the geometrical isomers, and this also described in diastereomers. Carbon-carbon double bonds are called vinyl carbon atoms. If either vinyl carbon is bonded to two equivalent groups, then no geometric isomer exists. For example, if their structure is CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, this is possible like yes, and structure second like CH3, CH, CH2, CH double bond CH2, this is not possible because the carbon balance is not sufficient. Confusion about the use of cis and trans. According to IUPAC rules, it refers to the parent chains. The structure 1 like cis isomers, and the structure 2. We are in this nomenclatures like confusion in this regard, and we use an E and Z system of nomenclatures. EZ system is now recommended by IUPAC for the designation of geometrical isomerism. First, they use the sequence rule to assign the higher priority to the two groups attached to each vinyl carbon atom. Second rule, and we use the Z, Jusimant together, and E, antigen opposite. The structure 1, which is shown here, which is represented in Z form, and the next structure which is represented here, and which is represented and we assign the E form and E structures. The nomenclature of alkenes, firstly, we identify the parent chain like longest continuous carbon chain that contains the carbon-carbon double bond. Firstly, we identify the parent chain, number of carbon atoms in their structures like alkenes, and firstly we change the name, like corresponding N to E and E, alkene, in their name alkane, and prefix locate for the carbon-carbon double bond using the principle of lower number for acceptor, and if a geometrical isomers use E and Z. It is also known as cis and trans to indicate which isomer it is. For example, 3-methyl cis-2-pentene. We also assign this nomenclature like Z, 3-methyl-2-pentene in their structure, and next structure we represent, and this represent here in like E form, and we give a name like 1-bromo, 1-chloropropene, and we assign an E form. Next, this is not a geometrical isomers like 3-ethyl, 5-methyl, 3-heptene, OL, like alcoholic groups, takes precedence over ene. For example, 2-propene, 1-ol, and 3-butene, 2-ol, and their structure is, this is represented in this slide. And the physical properties of alkenes, the non-polar or weakly polar compounds, and the no hydrogen bonding is there, and relatively low melting point, boiling point, and which is corresponding to the alkanes, like, and this is water insoluble, and the importance of this alkenes like common group in biological molecules, and the starting material for the synthesis of many plastics. The synthesis of alkene, first method of synthesis like dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide, and the second method like dehydration of alcohol. Third method like dehalogenation of viginal dihalide. Dehalogenation of viginal dihalide. In this 1,2-dibromobutane, which react with zinc dust and gives the alkene, and not generally useful as viginal dihalides, are usually made from alkenes and may be used to protect a carbon-carbon double bond. The synthesis are representing in this form. Dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. This alkyl halide react with alcoholic KOH, and the alkenes compound or alkene molecules are formed, plus potassium halide and water. The conditions of this alkyl halide are reactivity order of alkyl halide is tertiary is more greater than secondary, and secondary is more greater than primary halide, and there is no rearrangement reaction in this dehalogenation of alkyl halide, and may yield a mixture of compound, and this is also represent in SID-JEF orientation and elemental effect, isotopic effect. And the mechanism is in this reactions like E2, like elimination reaction, the rate determining steps, and the Rx and QH, both Rx like alkyl halide and QH in rate determining step. And the reaction order of this elemental effect is Ri means alkyl iodide is greater than alkyl bromide, which is greater than an alkyl chloride molecule. This is an elemental effect. And this CX means carbon halide, which broken in rate determining step. This alkane molecule, which is greater than this isotopic effect or this deuterium alkyl group, and this is due to the CH broken in rate determining step, which is concerted reactions like both in CX and CH bonds are broken in the rate determining step. The mechanism in this reactions like are possible in elimination are bimolecular reaction in E2 reaction. In this reaction, this nucleophile or base which is react or attack in this proton molecule, and this again, and this base which is eliminate in this hydrogen atom, and alkene molecule is formed. This is a one step reaction, and this is a concerted reactions. Again, isopropyl bromide molecule which is react with alcoholic KOH, and propylene molecule is formed. And the next reaction, like second reaction, this is a N-butyl bromide which is react with alcoholic KOH, and 1-butene is formed. And the next reaction, this butyl bromide, secondary butyl bromide react with alcoholic KOH, and the mixture of 1 butene and 2 butene is found. 1 butene molecule is found in 19% and 2 butene molecule is found in 81%. When alkyl halide, if any, would yield each of the following pure alkenes upon dehalogenation by strong base. And what alkyl halide? There are no alkyl halide would yield each of the pure alkenes. For example, isobutylene, and this alcoholic QH gives the isobutylene. And the next, this mixture which are given in 1 pentene, and the next, this secondary halide which are giving in 2 pentene, and the last 2 methyl 2 butene is found. SIT-Jeff orientation, this is the ease of formation of alkene, and their order is Cr2 and Cr2, which is greater than Cr2 and CHR, and these are also are greater than Cr2 and CH2, and RCH and CHR, and last one is the alkene. The stability order of, and same in this order, which are representing in this slide, and then last this secondary butyl bromide which are reacting with the alcoholic QH, and they are kept in the 2 products. One is 1 butene in 19% and another is 2 butene which is given in here in 81%. Last one is, and in this reactions these are also representing in their mixture form like 71% and 29%, and this reaction also given in their mixture in their alkyl halide like 71 and 29%, and major product is this reaction is found. The order of reactivity in E2 reaction in tertiary which is greater than secondary, and secondary which is greater than primary molecule or primary carbon atom. And this reaction which is the alkyl halide like ethyl halide which are giving in the ethene CH2 CH2, and this propyl halide which is giving in this one propene, and then last isopropene. Elimination reaction like E1 molecule, and this rate determining steps like this H and W, and this is a carbonium ion generated step, and W is eliminated in this step. And in second reaction, this carbonium ion which is reacting with this proton, and then last this alkene molecule is formed. The elimination of unimolecular reaction and their condition is the alkyl halide of this tertiary alkyl halide which is greater than secondary alkyl halide, and secondary alkyl halide which is greater than primary alkyl halide, and this is the rearrangement possible in this reaction, and they may be a mixture of compound. They are also following the SIT-Jeff orientation, and because of this elemental effect and no isotopic effect is there, and the rate determining step is also here, and K and RW is found. E1 reaction, and they are rate determining, only a RW involved in rate determining steps, and their order of alkyl iodide is greater than alkyl bromide which is greater than an alkyl chloride. This is due to the elemental effect, and this CX is broken in rate determining step. And then last alkyl or alkane which is equivalent to this deuterium alkane, and because of no isotopic effect, and this CH is not broken in rate determining step. The elimination of unimolecular E1 reactions in first like if which is showing this alkyl halide order of alkyl halide which is tertiary is greater than secondary and secondary is greater than primary because of carbocation, and CW broken in rate determining step, and CH which is CH not broken in rate determining steps, only RW in RDS form. Alkyl halide which is react with base and gives the substitution or elimination reactions. In this reaction they are SN2 mechanism and E2 mechanism is there. If strong or concentrated base is here and this methyl is greater than primary in SN2 step like RZ, and this in last in tertiary is greater than secondary because of this E2 reaction in alkene. if a weak dilute base is there, then tertiary is greater than secondary and secondary is greater than primary. It is because of SN1 and E1 mechanism. And RH and alkenes are there. If alcoholic KOH is there, then reaction order of in this reaction is tertiary is greater than secondary and secondary is greater than primary. And the mechanism in this reactions like E2 and alkenes. These reactions also representing here, this is a primary carbon or primary halide, which is reacting with this reaction, and SN2 mechanism is showing in this reactions. And this reaction, this alkyl halide react with dilute hydroxyl, and the mechanism in this reactions like SN1 and then last an E1 mechanism is there. Second reactions like dehydration of alcohol. This alcoholic or acid or alcoholic molecule which is react with heat and gives the alkene molecule and water. And the reaction order of alkyl alcohol is tertiary is greater than secondary and secondary is greater than primary. Because of this, and the acid is a catalyst are used, and the rearrangement of are also possible in this reaction, and their mixture are possible. The mechanism in this reactions E1 and rotation and the 3 for the alcohol are possible, and the mechanism for dehydration of an alcohol or E1 reaction is this, and this proton molecule is react with this OH and gives the protonated water molecule in alkanes, and in the rate determining step second, this water molecule or protonated water molecule eliminate in this reaction and gives the protonated alkane molecule, and then last this protonated alkanes which are reversible and gives the alkene molecule and this protonated hydrogen. This is a E1 mechanism. And then last, ethylene. This is the ethyl alcohol which is reacting with 95% sulfuric acid in H 170 degree centigrade. It gives the ethene. And next reaction, this propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol react with 20% sulfuric acid in 85 to 90 degree centigrade, and this gives the isopropene. And then last, the rearrangement reaction which is shown here, and this compound gives in this type of reactions. The synthesis of 1-butene from 1-butanol. This is a SN2 mechanism presenting here like CH3, CH2, CH2OH, butanol, and which is reacting with HBr and gives the E2 reaction in this QH alcoholic. And last one is this 1-butene is found. To avoid the rearrangement in the dehydration of the alcohol is the first converted into a alkyl halide. The synthesis of alkene, first dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. This is possible in E2 mechanism. And then second, dehydration of alcohol, which is possible in E1 reaction. This is the graph which is showing in their mechanism in this alcoholic which is reacting with proton and gives the alkene, and this alkene which is reacting with zinc and gives the viginal dihalide, and this alcoholic, this alkanol also gives the alkyl halide, and this alkyl halide reacts with alcoholic QH and gives the alkene. Thank you.